Is it? I feel like there's not, I'm trying to think of another, oh my God, that is not gonna be in there. Where's my knife at? Right. I watched so many of these unboxings and I'm like, I can't wait to see this stuff. All right. Okay, so most of you guys know what NYX Professional Makeup is. And if you don't, you should. I mean, I feel like everybody does. So they host a competition called the Face Awards. So the Face Awards is where they pick all of the top artists throughout, I guess it's each country. Yeah, so ours is the United States, obviously. I live in Pennsylvania. So I made it to the top 30 of the United States. And oh my God, I'm just like, I can't even believe, I just said that. And I'm like, what? But yeah, so I made it to the top 30. Okay, so this is a new mic, and I don't know if I'm doing this wrong, so. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside here without spilling anything. So maybe I'll just take everything out of the box, and then I'll sit down because I feel like my head's cut off in here. Let's see. All right, guys. First of all, what is this? I think this is pronounced Vichy Laboratories. Did I say that wrong? Laboratories? No, but this is what this looks like. I don't want to ruin this box because I love this packaging. I wonder if this just slides out. Nope. Oh. All right, so this is a fortifying and hydrating daily skin booster. So this is like after you put on a ton of face paints, you're pretty much gonna need all of the skincare that you can get. So you have a cleansing solution in here, daily skin booster, makeup removing wipes. What is this guy? Mineralizing thermal water. Rich in 15 minerals, stronger barrier, healthier looking skin. I'll have to look about how to use this guy. Okay, so it says thermal water helps strengthen the skin's moisture barrier function and helps protect skin against external aggressors, leaving it feeling healthy and glowing. I'm a bad reader. Okay, cool. So these are actually labeled. So this one says face. Holy crap. How do I do this? Oh my God, you guys. Right, so I have some bronzers in here. So I have a ton of bronzers. Oh, this looks like the best formula too. So it's like a shimmer bronzer, which I do love shimmer bronzers. I think I love this one the most. This is called the OC. Look at that. Then we have Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. And this is Bear With Me Cannabis, I almost said saliva. Cannabis sativa? Seed oil? It's that guy. I hope that this is actually picking up on camera. Then we have some blush here. Ooh, a ton of highlighters. Look at this one. So I've got a ton of concealers, color correctors. I have a matte finish spray. Then I have a hydrating cheek tint. And 2 different colors here. Ooh. And a pore filler. I always love these primers. These are the best. Ooh, and a mascara on the rise, volume lift. Okay, so this one is also face. Ooh, I see foundation in here. Oh no! Ah. Okay, it looked like one exploded in here, so I can't show this. Oops. All right, so this whole bag is foundation, so I'm not gonna go through that entire thing. But yeah, just know these are all foundations. All right, next up we have tools. Oh man, I could always use brushes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, and there's a beauty blender by NYX. I've never tried a beauty blender from them. I haven't actually tried a beauty blender in such a long time, but they have their own. Look, it's black, it's so chic. Yeah, look at all these brushes. Holy crap. I've been needing backups of brushes. Oh, and I've been wanting this brush forever. So this is a really good eyeliner brush. So it's one of the ones that's bent. Just makes it really easy to do winged liner. Oh my God. And then we have makeup remover wipes. And a little pencil sharpener. So I'm trying to go through it quick so I don't bore you guys, but this is incredible. Oh, I forgot to say, so this is the specialty package. Oh my God. Look at these cream colors. Look at that purple. Look at this glitter. Oh my gosh. I hope this is picking up on camera, because if I have to film this again, I don't think you guys are gonna get my first impressions like nearly as well, because I'm just like freaking out. Okay, so these are the glitters. You guys have to see these, if I can hold them up correctly. Look at those. Oh my God, I can't wait to use them. Okay, and then we have a ton of these cream colors. So this isn't all of them, but look at all of these. Oh, cream paints just like inspire me more than you'll ever know. Okay, and then it looks like there's a lot of pigments here. All right, so these are all cream pigments, and these are, oh, maybe not all of them. There's like glitter just mixed in here. Actually, wait, hang on. All right, so these are foil play, so they are cream pigments. There are all of these guys. I'm so excited about them. Especially this copper one. Oh my God, this is in Dagger. Ooh. And then we have a ton of glitters. I'll just put all these off to the side. Right, next up, we have eyes in this blue package here. This blue bubble guy. Oh my God, these little eyelashes. Right, so we got all of our lashes here. Oh, look at this. So this is Modern Dreamer. This is an eyeshadow palette. Look at all of those neutrals mixed with the colored eyeshadows. These colors are so beautiful. I just feel like I could cry. I'm also getting my period soon, so that might be it. But these are just beautiful. Then we have a ton of eyebrow pencils. I don't think I've ever used NYX's eyebrow pencils, so I'll have to try that out. These look interesting too. So it's called Fill and Fluff. So the brush actually isn't the typical bristles for a eyebrow brush. So I don't know if you guys can see on there, but if you look at this side here, it almost looks like, what were those foundation brushes that looked like that? Oval brushes? It looks like there's an oval brush on the end here. Then we have a ton of eyeliners in here. So we have the vivid colors here. And just a regular black ink, can't go wrong. There are a few crazy colors here. So it looks like we have like a mint, there's like a teal turquoise color. And what is this? This is like a bronzy kind of shade. So there are a ton of these jumbo eye pencils. These are in all different colors here. So I don't know if you can see them on camera there. And then also we have an eyeshadow base, which is this guy here. I've been really wanting one like this that's in, I don't know exactly like why I want one specifically in a tube like this. I just feel like everyone else has them, and that's how they do all the crazy cut creases. I've never done a real cut crease before, and I've been looking to get into it, so this is key. All right, and lastly, we have lips. Oh, man. Oh, I think this is like every shade of the lip lingerie that they have, which is perfect. So psyched about it. Then we have a ton of lip creams in here. This looks like every shade on here as well. I have a few of these upstairs. I can't hold them all up, but these are the creams. And we have Filler Instinct. Ooh, are these, yeah, it's a plumping lip polish. All right, next we have Glitter Goals, and these are liquid lipstick. I didn't even see these in stores. That blue one, yes. Oh, and there's more of these. Oh my God, look at this copper one. Look at that copper one, guys. What are these? So these are called Powder Puff Lippies. So these are a powder lip cream. Right, let's see if I can hold all of these up so you guys can see these shades. This red is everything. It's like one of those orangey reds. It's called Crushing Hard. But look at these. Then there's also Bear With Me. This is lip conditioner. This would be perfect for the mattes. Duh, I'm sure that's what it's for. All right, guys, and that is everything. Thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup. I am so honored to be in the Face Awards. I'm gonna cry. I just never thought that I would make it this far, and I see all the finalists every year, and I always just wish that I could be one of them. And like, here I am, you know? I mean, granted, it's just the top 30. I hope that I make it to the next round. That would be awesome. But even just to be nominated in the 30 is like, what? But thank you guys so much for all of your support. You have no idea how much it means to me. I wouldn't be where I am today without you. Honestly, I owe everything to you guys. And thank you, NYX, for seeing something in me. This is absolutely incredible. And I hope I don't let you down. I mean, I would obviously love to win the competition, but like I said, I am so honored to even be in the 30. This is just, let alone winning for me. So thank you guys so much, and there will be plenty of more cringy videos to come, I'm sure. And well, I mean, at least I hope so, maybe if I make it to the next round. So you guys are still going to see the look that I create in 2 weeks. So that will be my very first challenge, and that will depend on whether I make it to the next round. So this whole competition bases on votes. Yeah, I will let you guys know when it's time to make your vote, and hopefully you guys will vote for me. So okay, so I believe you get 3 votes per email address. So, I mean, if you have multiple emails, maybe vote for me all 3 times. I'm not saying that you should, but if you want to help a brother out, yeah, I'm just gonna go because this is getting more cringy by the second. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. This is my second take, by the way, so now I don't know where anything is. Oh, here it is, okay. I feel like there's not, I'm trying to think of another, oh my God. And I was just gonna pretend to cut this open, but it's already open, so. Do I need to explain the face words?